Everyone, welcome back to another YouTube video, and in this video I'll be showing you guys how to fix Locket app crashing or freezing on iPhone. If the app keeps on closing, glitching or getting stuck mid-use, here's the quick step-by-step fix. First, what you're gonna do is swipe from the bottom of your phone, find the Locket app and then swipe it away from from the screen completely, then reopen it. This resets temporary app glitches that causes freezing. Next, what you're going to do is press and hold the power button plus volume buttons in the same time and then slide to power off. Wait 10 seconds, then turn it back on. This clears background memory issues that can make apps unstable. Next, what you're going to do is open the app store and then search for Locket Widget and see if there is an update button available. Sometimes login issues happen because you are using the outdated version of the app. Next, what you're gonna do is after updating, you're going to free up some storage. Go to settings and then search and then go to generals, go to iPhone storage. If your device is nearly full, Locket can crash during photo uploads or widget updates. Clear a bit of space and try again. If the app still crashes, delete it and restart in your phone, then reinstall it from the app store. Your account and photos are linked together so you won't lose anything. Privacy tip: only use the official Locket Widget app from the app store. Avoid modded or unofficial versions. They can cause instability and security risk. Quick fix: if it still freezes, disable VPN or proxy temporarily. Remove and re-add the Locket widget. Log out and log back in to refresh your system completely, and that's it. Subscribe for more quick and easy app fixes like this.